Hello everyone, I am Maureen Curry and I'm going to be the instructor for ID 125, the History of Interior Architecture and Furnishings. The course is a 3-credit course, which means you will spend a minimum of 3 hours researching different architectural styles and furnishings on Canvas, and you will also be doing reading in the textbook. There is a recommended textbook, but I do want to urge you to get started, even if you don't have the textbook, because there's plenty of content on Canvas that helps you go through each weekly module. So be sure and review the syllabus and then go through all the orientation parts of the first module here. There's also a question and answer place if you want to leave questions for me or other fellow students where you can answer each other. Mainly, I want you to go through the orientation module. So get started, review the syllabus, and then do take the learning about the expectations and discussions. Each week there will be a discussion board assignment due Thursday midnight and a written assignment due Saturday midnight. For the discussion board, there's actually 3 postings. One posting is due Thursday midnight, and then by Saturday midnight you must go back in and respond to 2 other classmates to get full credit. The response should also add further research, images. I would not recommend you just say I agree to the student or I liked your post. So we want to have an active, interactive discussion where we learn from each other through whatever research we decide to share on the discussion board each week. Every week there's a discussion board assignment. There's also a written assignment due Saturday midnight, and this is really just short-term definitions, maybe a short essay sometimes, but you get points for those. So remember, each week there is no set assigned classes. So each week you must have a posting at Thursday midnight on the discussion board, which marks your attendance, and then by Saturday midnight 2 further posts responding to other students, and also by Saturday midnight complete the written assignment. So the module 1 is the first module, and we're starting ID 125, which is really part 2. There's 2 courses, ID 122 and ID 125. They're in 2 parts. You can take them in either order, but they're both transferable to Cal State Fullerton. So the credits are 3 credits. And remember, with 3 credits, usually is a minimum of 3 hours to 6 hours, more like 6 hours a week of reading and research. So in that first module, we'll start with the elements of design. You'll have some readings from the textbook. We'll also look at the colonial period, the Georgian style in England and America at the time. Don't forget, this part of the course starts with the 17th century. So we'll be looking back at colonial homes, different American architecture and furnishings. So please get started and read all the pages in Canvas. This week, there's actually 2 discussion boards. One where you introduce yourself to the class and follow the prompts there. And then a second one, which is a specific topic to be discussed on the discussion board. So there's really 2 discussion boards. And for each discussion board, you need 3 responses. 1 for each on Thursday midnight, before midnight, and 2 more for each discussion board responses by Saturday midnight. And then the written assignment, it will be due Saturday midnight. So that's kind of the pattern for the course each week. There's module readings, pages in the textbook. If you don't have the textbook, don't worry, get started. There's plenty of information on Canvas. So I look forward to working with you and getting to know you as we explore some very interesting styles of architecture, furniture, and decorative arts this semester. And I look forward to seeing the research you share so we can also grow and see what kind of background you have in interior architecture and furnishings. So I wish you all the best, and I'll see you on Canvas.